Hey there, welcome to McNaught, and let's check out our 2017 Honda Ridgeline EXL all-wheel drive. Now this is a great, reliable pickup truck coming to you from Honda here, fresh out of detail here. We just got it traded in, and you've got a powerful 3.5 liter V6 engine under the hood, and that's going to be paired up with a 6-speed automatic transmission. So great, reliable fuel economy on the highway and plenty of power and towing capacity when you need it the most. And you've got the 18-inch aluminum wheels here with all-season tires. Great tread left on those tires as they've got just over 29,000 kilometers on them, so that's really not a lot of wear on those tires. Got the side steps down here, proximity locks on the door handles. And as we head around to the back, the interesting thing about this tailgate here is you're actually able to open it up sideways like a door, but also drop it down like a regular tailgate. So that's a pretty neat option to have. You do have the trailer towing package on this vehicle as well, and there is some hidden storage space located right down underneath the box. So pretty interesting, unique features to this Honda Ridgeline. Now you do have parking sensors on the back as well as a rear facing camera. And last but not least, you do have the remote start feature on your fob. Just hold down that remote start and it's going to start up in the winter time, no problem. Now inside the Ridgeline, we've got the black leather interior. You've got heated seats on the front and fully power adjustable controls with lumbar. You've also got the Ridgeline branded all-weather mats, so you don't have to worry about getting your carpet dirty at all. Automatic one touchdown windows here on the door panel. And just behind the steering wheel, you're going to find your eco mode. You've got your power adjustable side view mirrors, as well as parking sensors, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, traction control, and access to your cargo light and wipers. So pretty interesting safety features. This thing's absolutely loaded. Now inside the Honda Ridgeline, you've actually got a pretty smooth and quiet ride. Taking a look here in front of the steering wheel, you have the digital display here on the front dash. Lots of controls on the steering wheel itself, but I'm going to start off here with your audio controls on the left-hand side. You've also got some buttons to control the pages on your center screen, as well as your cruise controls on the right-hand side. You've got your lane keep assist. You've got some more vehicle info setting buttons, as well as your hands-free call buttons and your heated steering wheel option. Now let's take a look at the Honda Link system. You've got Bluetooth phone connectivity if you want to make some hands-free calls, play music through Spotify. But I also want to point out Apple CarPlay does come standard on these vehicles. Now you've got quite a few sources in terms of media connectivity: Sirius XM radio, CD player, Bluetooth. You've got the USB port. You've also got auxiliary and apps which you could download for your radio. So pretty cool stuff here in the Honda Ridgeline. And last but not least, I'm going to show you your backup camera that you've got right here. Pretty neat angle. You could actually switch those angles to a wider view, as well as a top-down mode if you're backing up against a curb. Now last but not least, when you put the vehicle's right turning signal on, it's actually going to activate the camera that's alongside your side view mirror. So that's going to give you a pretty interesting perspective of your blind spot when you're switching lanes or making a sharp turn. You've got the dual zone climate controls down here, as well as your heated front seats. CD player and a 12-volt outlet is going to be located just down below, as well as your media connectivity ports, which includes USB and aux. Now heading on a bit lower, you've got plenty of open space here in the center console. Some more outlets down here if you need to charge something up. And as we take a look up here at the ceiling, you are going to find your slide and tilt sunroof controls for the front sunroof. Now let's take a look into the back seat of the Ridgeline, where you're going to find plenty of storage space and legroom for your adult passengers that you're going to have back here. You've got the armrest with the cup holders, as well as rear heated seats and your own set of climate controls back here. So you could definitely do a road trip in this vehicle without any issues in terms of comfort. Now look at these rear seats. They fold up nice and flat against the wall, allowing for plenty of cargo space. And once again, you have those rubber mats to keep everything nice and tidy in the back. So So overall, if you're looking for a really reliable truck, it's a smaller size pickup truck, but you could still get the job done for smaller towing loads. I definitely recommend you our Honda Ridgeline. This thing's certified pre-owned. You're still gonna have a bit of factory warranty left on here because of the low kilometers. So I definitely invite you over to McNaught Cadillac and come take a look at this vehicle for yourself.